I'm going to ask them to read it from their memory. All right? Are you Arab? Are you Arab?
No.
Neither one of them is Arabs even, right? But I'm going to tell them to read it in Arabic, its original language. All right? That God's all-knowing, all-powerful, no beginning, no end, isn't born out of a woman. He doesn't have to grow up drinking breast milk, all that kind of. That's human stuff, right? Like, I don't believe in worshiping saints or idols or statues or rocks or graves. I believe we worship the one God above.
Right.
Make sense to you?
Right.
Right?
I agree with you.
All right, good, good.
Worship God.
I believe God sent prophets to guide us, right? Like sometimes we don't know how to live. Like somebody's like, oh, abortion is good. Somebody's like, no, it's bad. Somebody's like, death penalty is good. Somebody is bad. So God sent us like from Adam to Noah to Abraham to Moses to Jesus to Muhammad as prophets,
right,
as messengers to bring a message.
Right.
But they were human beings.
Right.
Make sense? Does that make sense to you?
Of course.
All right, cool, cool. We're on the same page. All right. So that divine revelation ends with the final testament, which is the Quran. And this is for you, free.
And I can take this?
You take it, bro. It's free. Like, we're not here trying to make money. We're here to build bridges and make understanding, right?
Yeah.
So that final message tells us how to live, right? Just like the original message that came to Abraham, Moses, Jesus, peace be upon all of them. I love them. I love Jesus. I don't worship them. Right? But people messed up that message, right? People started adding to it. They're like, this is canon, this is not canon. Add this to the Bible, take this out. Even if you look at the oldest testament, and you're well read, I can tell, right? So you already know that, right? But the Quran is only one Quran. And everybody, alhamdulillah, by the will of Allah, every Muslim memorized some of the Quran. And many Muslims memorize the whole Quran. But you never see a Christian memorize the whole Bible, or a Jew memorize the whole Torah, or a Hindu memorize the entire Gita or Mahabharata. No, right? All of that, because it's not preserved, it gets messed up. That's why Catholics have their own Bible, the Eastern Orthodox have their own Bible, Ethiopian Bible has 88 additional books, King James got his own thing, right? But the Quran, all the Muslims agree on one Quran, right? So that's the beauty of the Quran. It's a preserved message. That makes sense to you?
Of course,
right,
it makes sense. And so let's have a conversation.
Please.
In theory,
I'm with you.
Because the only way I see it is that the same way that it's how do I say it could the Bible was perverted and it could be perverted.
Right.
Same way that the Quran,
right,
or the Torah or any other scriptures.
But there's a difference, right? Just like we said, the Quran is memorized. Right? Now we'll do a test right now in front of you, all right?
Okay.
We're gonna prove this to you, all right? Pick any of these pick any two Muslim brothers here, whatever one you want. Pick any of them or these brothers, whoever you want. Randomly.
That one.
The tall guy?
Yeah.
Irji. We need you. All right, he picked you. Pick one more. This brother. Wahaj, Muslim, come. Alright. It's the pressure cooker. Alright. That's pretty loud. Trying to kill people here? I know. We'll wait for the pressure cooker.
Right.
Cooker. That's noise pollution right there, man. Alright, now that the headache is gone. Alright. So we're going to ask them to read a chapter of the Quran. And this brother's a revert. He wasn't born a Muslim, right?
Yeah.
Revert. How long you been a Muslim?
3 years.
3 years, okay? This brother, you're not a revert, right?
Not.
Where are you from?
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Chicago, represent, right?
Chicago.
Both from Chicago, right? The first chapter of the Quran is called Surah Al-Fatiha. All right? Surah Al-Fatiha. Okay? I'm going to ask them to read it from their memory. All right? Are you Arab? Are you Arab?
No.
Neither one of them is Arabs even, right? But I'm going to tell them to read it in Arabic, its original language. All right? Al-Fatiha.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahmanir Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in Ihdinas siratal mustaqim siratal ladzina an'amta 'alayhim ghayril maghdubi 'alayhim waladdallin. Amin.
Right? Your turn.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen
العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Now you see, that's the difference. When you have it memorized like that, how can anybody corrupt it? If he makes a mistake, he corrects him, right? And all of us standing here, we've all memorized some of the Quran, right?